Windows 11 installed your printer, but the familiar HP, Canon, Epson, or Brother driver is missing. Don't worry, this may be completely normal. Microsoft is introducing Windows Ready Print, which allows supported printers to use built-in Windows printing technology instead of installing a traditional manufacturer driver during setup. The first thing to do is check which driver your printer is actually using. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, select Printers and Scanners, choose your printer, then open Printer Properties and click the Advanced tab. Here you'll see the driver name. It might show Microsoft IPP Class Driver, a Windows built-in driver, or the printer manufacturer's own driver. Seeing a Microsoft driver doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. So, what is Windows Ready Print? It's Microsoft's modern printing system that uses standards such as the Internet Printing Protocol, or IPP, together with built-in Windows print drivers. The goal is to make printer installation simpler, reduce compatibility problems, and avoid the need for large third-party driver packages for basic printing tasks. Next, check whether your PC has the Windows Ready Print setting. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and Printers and Scanners. On supported versions of Windows 11, you may see an option called Default Install Printers using Windows Ready Print. If you don't see this setting yet, that's okay. It may still be rolling out, so don't try to recreate or force the option. Now it's important to understand what Windows Ready Print can and can't do. For many users, everyday printing works perfectly. You can usually print documents, choose common paper sizes, and use duplex printing if your printer supports it. However, some manufacturer-specific features may not be available. These can include advanced photo printing modes, printer maintenance tools, ink level monitoring, proprietary scanning features, or custom device presets. If your printer handles your everyday printing without any issues, there's usually no reason to replace the built-in driver. Windows Ready Print is designed to provide reliable, stable printing for standard tasks, and many users won't notice any difference during normal use. However, if you rely on advanced features that only the manufacturer provides, you may still need the official printer software. In that case, download the driver only from the printer manufacturer's official support website. Avoid third-party driver download sites or automatic driver updater programs, as they may install outdated or incorrect software. If you decide to switch to the manufacturer's driver, do it carefully. Remove the printer from Windows if necessary. Change the Windows Ready Print setting. If it's available, restart your computer. Install the official manufacturer software. Add the printer again, and print a simple test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If the printer belongs to your workplace or school, check with your IT department before removing or reinstalling it. To recap, first check which driver your printer is using. Understand how Windows Ready Print works. Test whether basic printing meets your needs, and only install the manufacturer's official driver if you require advanced printer features. For many users, the built-in Windows driver is now the expected and recommended option. If this guide helped you understand Windows Ready Print and why your printer is using a built-in driver, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, printer fixes, and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.